Namaste. My name is Laura, and I'm very happy that you're here today. I would love to show you a breathing technique called the Physiological Sigh. This breathing technique is very powerful in settling the nervous system whenever you need it. So, in even just 10 or so breaths, this physiological sigh breath can help us to calm and soothe our state of being if we're feeling a little bit heightened. So for me, today I'm practicing. I've just dropped my little one off at the school bus stop, and I'm taking my baby along to a class field trip today. So it's just a powerful reminder that we can find these little nuggets of peace. These tools are available to us when we're on the go. And I would love to also just begin by saying, before we dive into this breath work, that I am so grateful that you are here. I have been trying to build this channel and to offer tools such as this breathing technique to you so that you can call upon them when you need. Unfortunately, there have been some comments on videos about ads that pop up throughout some of my offerings here on my channel, and I just want to say thank you for still being here. It's viewership like yours and subscriptions like comments that will help to drive up my channel to the point that I can switch off these ads. So that is my intention, to switch off ads that are popping up. I don't want them to be in the videos, but they are, and it's just part of the way that is at this time. So stay with me. I'm really happy that you're here, and I hope that if there is an ad that comes on, you can stay with your breath, maybe open the eyes a little bit, skip the ad, and then come back to your breath with me, and we can enjoy the physiological sigh together. So let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You might sit on a pillow. I'm sitting on a bolster, a nice thick cushion, but you can sit on blocks, pillows, folded blankets. This can even be done from a chair or laying down, standing, wherever. So again, this is meant to be a practice that you can find anywhere, on the go even. Let's find length through the spine. So the tailbone draws downward, the crown of the head draws upward, creating a sense of relaxed spaciousness. So not tall in a rigid way, but in a way that allows you to take nice, soothing breaths. So start to tune into your breath rhythm now. You might close your eyes or relax the gaze. You may feel that the breath naturally starts to lengthen and deepen for you. As you notice the breath with the intention of relaxing, the breath notices your intention and responds. The breath responds by deepening and lengthening to support you in your intention. This intelligent breath and the physiological sigh really is such an intuitive technique that you have likely practiced before, maybe without even knowing, in a time that you may have been upset, or perhaps you've seen a baby, a child breathing in this way, or a pet, or maybe you found this breathing technique when you were sleeping, so subconsciously, even when you're sleeping. So before we practice, just know that this might be familiar to you. Really celebrating the intelligence of your being, of your breath. As you allow it to deepen naturally, and just start to find a couple of breaths in through the nose now, and then out of the mouth. In through the nose, and slowly, softly exhaling through the mouth. So a gentle, full release of the exhale. Relaxing the facial expression, relaxing the shoulders. So you may notice a little bit of the sighing happening here on the exhale. But the special part about the physiological sigh now is 2 sips in through the nose. So when you're ready, can you find 2 sips in through the nose? And 1 full exhale through the mouth. 2 sips in through the nose. A full, gentle exhale through parted lips. We'll keep going. In a way that feels calming. Not strained, not overstretched, just gently breathing. Relaxing the hinges of the jaw, especially on the exhale. Relaxing the shoulders, especially on the inhale. Allow this breath to support you in releasing any tensions. Bringing you back to baseline. Let's find 5 more rounds. At your very own pace. Three more. Feeling yourself settling further and further. A little bit more and more. Just by breathing with the intention of calming. Last one. And allow your breath now to slowly settle back to its natural rhythm. Take time to notice any sensation in your body. To notice the effect throughout your being, physically, mentally, emotionally. Maybe even energetically, sense a shift. You could keep your palms turned to face down as a gesture of grounding, of settling down and into your being. Or perhaps palms turned to face up for a couple of breaths as you notice and welcome receiving a calling in of the benefits that you are sensing. Just a few breaths of integration, of welcoming the benefits so that you can take them with you into the rest of your day. Let's find a deep breath in through the nose as the arms sweep out and up toward the sky. Exhaling as hands draw down together, maybe exhaling through the mouth. Drawing the hands palm to palm at the heart center. When you're very ready, you can flutter open through the eyes and take all the time you need to transition. And thank you for being here today, for taking the time to explore this technique with me. I truly feel so honored to demonstrate the physiological side to you today. Remember that this breath, this video is here for you whenever you need. And I can't wait to share more tools such as this with you on my channel. Be well, and I'll see you soon.